I am going to show you how to make a Google form. Let me find the Google form. Okay, so you're going to go to forms.google.com. So if you just type up here forms.google.com, it's easiest from a computer, so a laptop or a desktop. I have a really hard time doing it from my phone. And you're going to hit blank form. And you can title the form whatever you want it to be. So, blah, 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 blah. What your description is, super easy. Question, your first question could be, email address. And then over here, it's going to try to find the most accurate response method. But you can hit the drop down if you want to pick something different. Short answer is good for email. And then if you want to make it a required field that they have to fill out before they hit submit, you can toggle this little switch here. And then, of course, now my cat decided it's time for Fratches. And then you can duplicate the question, go down here, and then you can do first name, and then last name, or you can do first and last in the same field, whatever you want to do. And then let's say you want to have a drop down. So, or I'm sorry, a multiple choice. So, what is your favorite color? So you can do multiple choice. And then you can put in your multiple choices. So you could put a picture in, or you could just do the words. That. If you want them to be able to say other, you can click that. I don't know for sure if it lets them fill it in or not. So I usually do another one underneath that it says, if other, then please explain, or whatever verbiage you want. And then you can make this even longer. The short one, the short answer is just a few characters. The paragraph lets them just like write and write and write. So if there's a lot of stuff you want them to write. And then whenever you're done and you have all your questions filled out, you go up here. I personally, what I do is for responses, I click this little green box and it creates a Google spreadsheet. And I'll show you what a Google spreadsheet looks like. That way it's all laid out and in a form that is easy to import or export into things. Otherwise, it'll put all the responses here and it's kind of hard to maneuver the responses. And then if you want to put like pictures and stuff up here, you can click the customize button and you can put in a picture up top. So like we'll just pick the jelly beans or you can upload a picture. So there's my jelly beans and you can change a little bit of the colors and stuff. And then whenever you're ready to send it, you click the send button. And then you go to the link. Facebook does not like this long link. If you put this long link in, Facebook will flag it and it won't go. But if you put in this shortened link and hit copy, now it's copied to your clipboard and you can go into Facebook and you can paste it. And then it'll show a little snapshot image of the top of your form. So that is how you do a Google form. Now, if you go into responses, you want to create a new spreadsheet, and you can title it what you want and hit create. And this is what it would be like. So as they fill it out, you'll have a timestamp. So you'll see exactly what time and date that they filled it out. Then you have all this information here, and whatever it is, it'll all be in the rows below it. And you can manipulate it just like you would an Excel document. So I hope that helped, and good luck. I learned all of this on YouTube. So if you have any other questions and you have any other issues, Google it on YouTube. Go to YouTube and search for Google Forms, and there are tons of tutorials out there. That's how I learned it. Bye.